This is a review for the set of 3 wireless remote control sockets. You can see it is plugged into that socket over there, and over there is another one. And my mom actually introduced me to the concept of these, and I can't thank her enough because they really make life super easy, especially decorating for the holidays. You're going to get a remote. It's going to have a group for channel 1, a group for channel 2, and a group for channel 3. Channel 1 on off, channel 2 on off, channel 3 on off. And now obviously I only have 2 of these set up, but it's making life super convenient. To turn it on, this is going to be for the left one. I'm going to hit on in channel 1. And there we go. And then the right one, I'm going to turn it, hit on. And there we go. And it's just that easy. And the same to turn it off. Instead of having to get up or move or do anything, you can just click off. And then for channel 2, for the right one, click off. And there you go.